What's going on, guys? Back with another video. So today I started the Ftmo challenge. Today was my first day. It's May 3rd, Monday. So I took two trades this morning. Let's look at my stats so far. The max daily loss is 5,000. So far I was at 610, the max for today, and negative $11.68. The max, I guess, loss. Current profit today at $11.68. Well, I still have those two trades still running, so it's not the I didn't close any trades, as you can see. I don't think these stats populated yet. But yeah, so I took two trades. Let me go and show you the two trades that I have opened up. It says start May 3rd, which is today, and I guess I have until June 1st to pass this challenge. So let me open up my MetaTrader and show you guys the trades that I have open. All right, so we have Euro CAD and CAD JPY. So I'm in profit currently $27.30, okay, floating $30. As you can see, the CAD JPY is negative $251, and the Euro CAD is up $290, which kind of like evens out to like $30 currently in profit. So I risked 2% for both of these trades, and tomorrow I plan on taking two more trades. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. First day on the Ftmo challenge, the two trades that I have open. Here is my current progress. So let's see how we do tomorrow. I really want to pass this challenge within like 10 days, guys. Yeah, I can't wait to, if you guys know, like in my previous videos, I didn't pass the challenge, which was kind of a bummer. But, I've been practicing and I feel more confident in my trading plan. So I'm just looking forward to passing this challenge and, yeah, pretty much bringing you guys along with me, sharing my experience with you guys. And hopefully this motivates you guys to take the challenge as well. And yeah, so that's all I have for today, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.